Okay, so to put this into an animation, what we're going to do is we're going to go to File, and we're going to open them a little different way. So we're going to go to File and Scripts. And File Scripts, you're going to load files into a stack, and then you're going to choose the pictures that go together. So on my desktop, I had all of these ones. The last one I just did, I'm going to start with this because it was kind of nice. I grab the 10, 11, oh, I skipped 12, 13, and 14, hit OK, and it's going to load them all on different layers, one on top of the other. And we can play with blending and things like that in just a second. So you can see it's working. So with any of the edits we've done, you're just going to File, Scripts, load into a stack. Now you can see they're all in different layers. I'm going to go to Window and Timeline. So once you go to Window and Timeline, what you need to do is click on this down arrow and choose Create a Frame Animation. If you want to do a video, you can. You can make this into a video. This is just going to be a GIF though, so we're going to keep it simple. Create a Frame Animation. Once you select it, you have to click on the words Create a Frame Animation, and then it's going to put your top layer into the timeline. Well, we want all the layers to go into the timeline. So this little drop down menu in the upper right hand corner, you're going to make frames from layers. So it'll insert all of them. And then these are all 0 seconds, but watch, I'm going to press play. And you can see the movement and you can see it fade a bit. You can pause this and you can have it on a loop. That's what a GIF will do. If these are backwards, you can drag these around and reorder them if you need to. That actually made it a little more interesting. Maybe you decide you want to add in one more picture. You might have to, go back in and re-edit. It would be kind of cool if she blinked or something like that. So this is moving back and forth. You can change this so that the timing's a little different. So it slows on one of them. So you can change all the timing if you want to on each one. If you hold Shift and select them all, you can change the timing all at once on all of them. And just press play. So this could be my animation. And when I'm done, I'm going to File. I'm going to go down to, this is saved a little bit differently. I am going to go down to Export and Save for Web Legacy. When I do this, it should load automatically into this window where it says GIF. And once it loads, if you've used a lot of pictures, it might take a little longer. I can just press Save. And I could call this Light Animation, or put your name in that or something like that. And when I hit Save, it should save it there. It just takes a little bit longer if you've got a lot of images loaded or if they're large files. Now I have this on my desktop, and let's see, I called this Light Animation, so I'm going to look for it. It's not going to look like an animation at first until I open it in a browser. So I'm going to go here and look for my Light Animation. It's right here. So I actually have to right click on it and open with. And I have to open it with one of Chrome or Internet Explorer or something like that to view it in its animated form. And here it is.